Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Cauliflower and coconut soup. This is going to take absolutely no time at all. It's really, really delicious. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so you're going to need a large pot and some oil. I've got 3 tablespoons there of a corn oil. You could be using a different oil if you want. We've got here 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds that we're dropping in. The heat is on. We're on an above medium heat. To that, we're going to drop in 1 cup of onion. I've sliced mine, you can chop it however you want. We're going to liquidize the whole thing. 1 cup of carrot. 1 cup of celery, which I think is absolutely wonderful in here. Then we've got 3 cups of potato. 2 heads of cauliflower, so that's probably 8 or 9 cups, I think. Obviously that's going to be the big star of the show. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add some black pepper. Now you're going to need a few potatoes in there to give it some sort of body. The carrots and the celery are optional, to be honest, but I think they're fabulous. Now I've got 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 3 teaspoons of coriander, in that goes. Here I've got some garlic ginger paste. I've got 2 tablespoons here. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger mixed and blended together. If you want, you could just chop some garlic and ginger into this. Okay, we're going to throw this around in the pan for 5 or 6 minutes. Like I say, we're on an above medium heat. Honestly, we've nearly done this already. Okay, so all really quite hard, the vegetables still, but we're about to change that. We're going to drop some water in here. That's probably 2.5, 3 pints there. We're going to get the heat up nice and high. We're going to bring that to the boil and we're going to let it cook away for about 8 or 9 minutes. You know, we want really nice, soft, beautiful vegetables. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, so that is looking absolutely beautiful. Do you know what I mean? Really kind of baby food, cooked down beautifully. I'm now going to add in 400 ml, or about a pint, of coconut milk. Give it a lovely kind of smooth texture. Then what we're going to do, we're going to liquidize this. Now, I've got one of these guys that goes inside, and I just drop it in and off you go. Now, if you haven't got one of these, buy one because they're really cheap and they're fantastic. Or you can do it in some sort of food processor or something like that. So let me get on with that. I'll spare you the noise. I'll be back in a few minutes. Look at that, absolutely wonderful, super smooth, beautiful. Check it for salt. You might want to add a bit more salt to it. I'm good with that. That is delicious. So I've just served 1 bowl of that. Put a few cumin seeds on the top as decoration, and as you can see, a bit of red chili. Maybe some cilantro or coriander on there might be nice as well, wouldn't it? But that's it. It's really beautiful. It's absolutely delicious. Nothing to it. Hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. I will see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.